Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can be able to fix TikTok Shop not showing products. Okay, so before to go and tell you about what you can do in that case, I want to tell you that this is not available worldwide. So there are some countries where it's not available yet. So you need to make sure first if your country is included in that program. But if it's not, then you have nothing to do, and you can contact the support or the team of TikTok so you can get info if it's gonna be or if they are planning for it in future. But if it's available in your country, here what you need to do is to go and contact the custom support and tell them about your problem, and then they're gonna tell you if you have something that is not working in your profile or if it's their mistake. Okay, so just contact them and they're gonna tell you how you can fix that problem, and also they're gonna help you to fix that problem. So all you need to do to contact this custom support is to go to their help center. You can access it from your TikTok app or from their website, and contact them and they're gonna answer you as soon as possible. So this is, guys, how you can fix it, and this is the only way how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.